Today we'll be discussing about integrating REST APIs using Cursor and DLT. So now if you've heard of the REST APIs, you already know the pain. There are endless hours spent figuring out pagination, incremental loads, state tracking, and schema changes with time that break pipelines. With DLT, you avoid most of that. But here's some good news. Combining AI tools like Cursor with DLT, you can skip the endless boilerplate. You don't have to hand code every integration. DLT automatically handles pagination, manages incremental loads, and changing schemas easily. Let's quickly look at how this works using an example, the Jaffle Shop API. So I hope you know about the Jaffle Shop project created by DBT. DLT has created a fast API version for that. Now let's jump into a demo where I'll show you exactly how easy it is to set this up yourself. So first we'll open DLT's REST API with Cursor documentation. We'll give docs and example pipeline code. The Cursor will extract API details from it and write a pipeline. We'll share the open API specs as well. Now let's first init a REST API source which is an example pipeline. Then we'll add the Cursor rules. These are the rules. And then we'll add the REST API source documentation to Cursor and the Cursor DLT core usage documentation. Apart from these, we'll also add the Jaffle Shop REST API created by DLT Hub README file to the docs. So these all are added. We will index it, and the indexing is done. Now this will be the prompt we'll be using for creating the REST API pipeline. We have open API specs, base URL, and guidelines. You can pause your screen and read the prompt. Next we are generating the pipeline, and it's fetching the responses using curl, and it gave us the first draft which looks okay, but it's missing the page size and incremental loading on docs. So I'll be giving a prompt for that. So it added page size and there are a few errors, so a bit to and fro. So I think the last line is causing the error. So let's run the pipeline again. And yeah, it ran. You can see it loaded 1074 orders, and running it again we can check that no orders is loaded again, so it means that incremental loading is in place. So I can also check this database created in DuckDB by the pipeline, and this is the Jaffle Shop database. This is the order table, and you can see the other tables. Thank you.